It's a wing.
He's a pirate.
He's a pirate wing.
Yeah.
And it's called Snuggle Buddy.
It has like a rice
Thing in there.
thing in there. Yeah.
So you could like hold it on your.
Yeah.
So you can get super warm.
Yeah.
I like this. I've never seen anything like this.
There's I've seen other ones that have like wings and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. I like the idea of these because I was like, oh, it's like a little pad. But then it was like, oh, I don't have a microwave.
No, we don't have a microwave. That pumpkin Gino. Mlem. She just went mlem. All the squeaking. Wicked cute. Is there a Snoopy bowl right there too?
Yeah.
The one that says nom nom. One that says nom nom too. Cutest pumpkin in the page. Nom noms.
She's like, don't let me. Oh.
Spooky. Little pumpkin.
Strictly, it's a fall one.
But she's still rubbing the carpet. See the spiderweb bench.
Yeah.
I like that. You get a bat. There's one bat. A coffin style water holder. Spooky. It's so spooky. A cauldron with a skeleton in it.
It's really hot.
As I said, he also, that one didn't move right.
No.
That's cute. Halloween pastels.
And that was everything we saw on this trip to Marshall's for Halloween decor hunting. I hope you enjoyed the new format with our Yoshi Cam. And there'll be a few more videos coming soon, so stay tuned for those while I edit them. And thanks for coming along as always. Bye, ghouls. Stay spooky.